Doubles, Lesson 2. Today we are going to be reviewing our doubles facts and learning a new strategy using our doubles knowledge to learn about near doubles. And this is a really good strategy when two numbers that you want to add are close to one another, and it's quicker than the count on method, and it'll help you to add numbers quickly and efficiently in your head. Doubles is where you have two lots of the same thing. It is really important to know our doubles facts with automaticity. I love that word. It just means automatically. So if I say 2 plus 2, you just say 4. You don't even have to think about it. 8 plus 8, 16. Let's practice our doubles facts. Try and say the answer out loud before it appears on the screen. Let's use our knowledge of doubles to help us solve near doubles. 3 plus 4 is an example of a near double because 3 and 4 are very close to one another. On a number line you can see that 4 is just one more than 3. If you look at the counters, 4 again is just one more than 3. It's like 3 and 1. So when we're using our knowledge of doubles, we just say 3 plus 3, there's a double, is 6, and one more is 7. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. 5 plus 4. This is also a near double because 5 and 4 are very close to one another. They're only one number apart, as you can see on the number line. You can also see with the counters that 5 is just one more than 4. We might just take that one out. It's the same thing as 4 and 1. So now we can do a double. We can simply say 4 plus 4 is 8 and one more is 9. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. This time we will use a tens frame to help us solve this near double. As you can see, we have 2 yellow counters on the top and we have 3 red counters on the bottom. So this is another good example of a near double because the two numbers are only one number apart. Right, let's see if we can find the double. We'll start with the smaller number, which is the 2. And look, there's 2 and 2. So there's our double. 2 plus 2, and then we've still got this extra 1. So writing that down, we would write 2 plus 2. There's our double. 2 plus 2 is 4. We just know that. And then we have to still add that extra 1 on. And 4 plus 1 is 5. So we can say that 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's see if we can find out how many yellow and red counters we have altogether. Let's have a look at the yellow counters along the top row. There are 5. Of course, we know that's just 5, and one more is 6. So we've got 6 yellow counters and 5 red counters. So I'll write our equation out. 6 plus 5 equals. And we need to solve this quickly using the near double strategy because you can see the two numbers are only one number apart. There's only one more yellow counter than the red counters. So let's see if we can find a double. If we take the smaller number, which is the 5, we can see there are 5 red ones down the bottom, and look, 5 yellow ones. There's our double. And we know 5 and 5 is 10, and one more is 11. So simply writing that as a near double, using the near double strategy, it's double 5 plus one more equals 11. So 6 plus 5 equals 11. It is now time to practice using the doubles and near doubles strategy by doing a written task in your book or on a piece of paper and uploading this to your portfolio. Here you can see some dominoes blocks that are all doubles. What I'd like you to do is to draw each domino dot pattern in your maths book or on a piece of paper, and then to write down the double as an equation. So you can see here I've done the double 2, and the equation would look like this. The first side of the domino is 2 plus 2, and then we just know that the answer is 4. I'm now going to ask you to pause the video while you copy down these doubles. You now have a choice to either stop watching the video or to keep going. If you feel you do not know your doubles with automaticity, that means if I say what is 6 plus 6 and you don't know the answer automatically or instantly, you probably need a little bit more practice with your doubles. And it's a great idea now if you stop watching the video. If you feel you know your doubles well, I'd like you to keep watching. These domino blocks are all near doubles, where the difference is only 1. What I want you to do is, in your maths book, to draw each domino dot pattern, write the equation, and then number 3, find the smaller number of the two. In this case, the 3 plus the 2, the smaller number is the 2, and I want you to double it. So there we are, 2 plus 2, and then add the extra 1, and the answer would be 5. And then just write that in your equation, 3 plus 2 equals 5. And I'll just take you back to the domino pieces and ask you to press the pause button so you can copy those down. You now have the choice to stop, or if you're looking for a little bit more of a challenge, there is one more task to go and you can choose to keep going. These domino dot patterns are definitely more challenging because you're going to be working with larger numbers. Once again, they are near doubles. The difference is only 1. So what I want you to do is, you don't have to do all 6. You can choose 1 or 2 or all 6 if you want to. Pause the video and copy these domino patterns down in your book. Write the equation and then use the near doubles strategy by finding the smaller number, doubling it and adding 1. All the very best.